Today, we're going to talk about some incredible plants that are sure to work wonders in your garden. So, get ready to be amazed by the beauty and benefits these plants bring to your outdoor space. Let's dive right in. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. These plants are called native plants. Native plants are those that have evolved in a particular region over a long period of time. They have adapted to the climate, soil, and other environmental conditions in that region. As a result, they are often better able to survive and thrive in those conditions than non-native plants. Here are some of the reasons why native plants are better adapted to their region. They have evolved to tolerate the specific climate conditions, such as the amount of rainfall, sunlight, and temperature. They are adapted to the specific soil conditions, such as the pH level, nutrient content, and drainage. They are resistant to pests and diseases that are common in the region. They have evolved to attract and support the local wildlife, such as pollinators and birds. Non-native plants, on the other hand, may not be as well adapted to the local conditions. They may need more water, fertilizer, or pest control than native plants. They may also be more susceptible to pests and diseases. In addition, non-native plants can sometimes outcompete native plants for resources, which can lead to the decline of native plant populations. For these reasons, it is generally best to choose native plants when landscaping or gardening. Native plants are more likely to thrive in your region and require less maintenance. They also help to support the local wildlife and ecosystem. Here are some tips for choosing native plants. Look for plants that are labeled as native or adapted. Choose plants that are appropriate for the amount of sunlight and water in your area. Consider the soil conditions in your area when choosing plants. If you are unsure about which plants to choose, ask for help from a gardening expert. By choosing native plants, you can help to create a healthy and sustainable landscape that supports the local wildlife. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please share this video with your loved ones and subscribe to my YouTube channel.